English version, Mathematics, Class 5, Chapter 1, Number 13. 650 copies of book you can keep in a bookshelf. How many bookshelf will be required to keep 379680 copies of books, given that the total number of book equal to 379680 and each bookshelf capacity 560 book. To find the number of books required, capacity and number of books to capacity divided by capacity equal to 6, 8, 7. Then answer will be 687. Answer will be the total 687 bookshelf will be required to keep the number of books. Thank you.